Welcome to TripWorks University. Today, we will show you how to build a message template once, with the right variables and conditional logic, so every guest gets an accurate, on-brand email and text, without writing the same message twice.
Every automated confirmation, every reminder, and every message you send by hand starts from the same place, a message template. Get the template right once, and it's right everywhere it's used. Get it wrong, and that mistake shows up on every guest it reaches. Templates exist, so you're not writing the same email from scratch every time, and so you're not risking a hand-typed detail error on something guests see repeatedly, a wrong balance, a missing waiver notice, an inconsistent tone. Build it once with the right variables and logic, and every guest gets an accurate, on-brand message. You'll come back to message templates anytime you want to change what a guest sees. Wording, branding, adding a new section, or when you need a brand new message type for something you don't have a template for yet, like a special event notice or a template you'll only ever send by hand. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to create a new template, build its content with variables and conditional logic, add an SMS version, and manage it over time with clone and archive. Templates live at setup, sell online, message templates. This library lists every template you have with its name, subject, category, channels, and status, active or archived. Select New Template to start one. Give it a name. Guests never see this, it's for your team. And choose a category. The category decides whether and where this template can send itself automatically, like confirmation or event reminder. If you're building something you'll only ever send by hand, choose User-Defined Message. Select Create to open it in the studio. The studio is where you build the actual message. Set the subject line and pre-header guests see in their inbox, and write the body with the toolbar, formatting, links, images, and an HTML view if you need it. Select plus variable to insert a guest's real detail, first name, confirmation number, pickup time, even a custom field answer, group by customer, experience, pickup, payment and refund, company, and custom fields. Pick one and it drops in as a chip. TripWorks fills in that guest's actual value when the message sends. Blocks are ready-made sections you drop in whole instead of building by hand. An order detail block, a payment ledger block, a contact and map block with the activity's address embedded correctly for email. Conditional blocks are where this gets genuinely useful. Wrap any section in a condition, so it only shows for guests it applies to. Show a balance due reminder only when balance_due is actually true for that guest, or a waiver notice only when waivers_unsigned is true. So a guest who's already paid or already signed never sees a nudge that doesn't apply to them. Every template can carry a separate SMS version alongside the email. Email is always on. Turn on SMS in the settings drawer and write its own content. SMS has a real length constraint, so keep it short and direct rather than trying to compress the whole email into a text. Use Preview as to render the template against a real booking, so you see exactly what a guest would get. Then send test email to receive a copy in your own inbox before it goes live anywhere. A few settings matter beyond the first build. Clone copies a working template as a starting point for a new one. Useful since you can't change a template's category later. Reset to default returns a TripWorks-provided template to its original content. An archive retires a template from use while keeping its send history intact. Two things trip people up: picking the wrong category, which you can't change afterward, clone into a new template instead of trying to fix it in place, and trying to delete a template that's already sent a message, which TripWorks blocks to protect your history. Archive it instead. What you've got now is one template that personalizes itself correctly for every guest, shows the right content to the right person, and can reach them by email and text in the same send. Build or update one real template today. And once you have templates you trust, setting up automated reminders and confirmations covers wiring them into the moments that send themselves.
Thanks for watching TripWorks University. Visit tripworks.com to keep learning, and we will see you in the next lesson, where we cover wiring your templates into reminders and confirmations that send themselves automatically.